ELSS. We'll talk about it not as a tax product, but as an investment decision, because many people buy ELSS only in March just to save tax without even knowing what they are exactly buying. ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme. It's an equity mutual fund. So just like any other fund, your money goes into the shares of a company. The difference is ELSS also gives you the tax benefit. So here you're not choosing between tax saving and growth, you are choosing both. So where does ELSS invest? Mostly in equities, growing companies, high potential, high risk. Returns can be good, but volatility is going to be the part of your journey. That is why ELSS is not a short-term product. The 3-year lock-in, yes, that's important. Once you invest in ELSS, you cannot withdraw your money for 3 years. It's blocked. But this lock-in is not a punishment. It's actually a feature because it gives the fund manager time to ride the market cycles, time to make long-term decisions. And long-term thinking is where equity works best. ELSS versus normal equity mutual funds. Both invest in equity, both are market linked. But there are two major differences. First, the tax benefit. ELSS offers the tax benefit, tax deduction under Section 80C, whereas a normal equity mutual fund won't offer that. And the second big difference is 3-year lock-in period. So in ELSS, once you put your money, the money is blocked for 3 years, whereas there is no such lock-in in a normal equity mutual fund. So this means that a normal equity mutual fund gives you more liquidity, whereas ELSS gives you more discipline. ELSS is taxed exactly just like a normal mutual fund. Holding them for more than 1 year, that is the only option. Whatever gains you make, the first 1,25,000 is exempt. There is no tax on it. Whatever money you make, whatever gain you make, over and above 1,25,000, there is a long-term capital tax of 12.5% on it. Why do ELSS funds mostly perform better than a normal mutual fund? Because of the lock-in. Yes, so there is no pressure of redemptions. There is no pressure on the fund manager of daily exits. The fund manager can take long-term decisions. Then there is lower panic. There is lower churn. He can hold good stocks for a longer period of time. This patience often reflects in greater returns. So if you want to save tax and invest in equity and your time horizon is more than 3 years and you're okay with markets ups and downs, ELSS is for you. Even if the tax saving is not the main goal and you're okay with long term, ELSS is still good, a very good wealth creation tool. But remember, it is not a replacement for a PPF or FD. Risk is higher and returns are also higher.